Hello students, hope all of you are well. I am fine. Today we have started with the last chapter, that is chapter 12 of your Environment and Science textbook. So we have started with the topic waste products অর্থাৎ বর্জ্য পদার্থ. At page number 175 there is a chart with two columns. First column wants to know some articles that discarded from house, and second with some articles discarded from your kitchen. So students, it's very easy. Just fill up the chart. You may also take help from your mother. Okay? Now you have to know that what is waste products? Waste products are unwanted or unusable materials. I repeat, waste products are unwanted or unusable materials which are discarded after primary use or are worthless, defective, that means useless. And wastes are also called products অর্থাৎ পদার্থ, as because they occupy some space and they have a definite weight. Next, page number 176. The first chart includes a list of waste products. You have to complete this chart with either they occupy any space or not, and either they have definite weight or not. Okay? Second chart you have to complete on the basis of solidity of waste products. It's very easy, so just do it. Next topic is a little bit interesting, and that is the division of waste products. Generally, waste products are divided into two types. Number one, biodegradable products, which can decompose and easily get mixed with soil, like banana peels, vegetable peels, dead animals, eggshells, garden wastes, papers, etc. Number two, non-biodegradable products that do not decompose even after remaining for a long time in soil, like plastics, metals, aluminum cans, paints, tires, toxic chemicals, etc. Look at page number 177 above. Here, both definitions are also present. That means the definitions of biodegradable and non-biodegradable products. Okay? Now you complete the third chart of page number 176. At page number 177 below, here is a classification of waste products on the basis of their sources. Say for example, from houses like plastic bottles, plastic packets, etc. From public dustbin like broken bulbs, plastic bags, etc. Just read page number 177 below carefully to get a clear idea. Next, page number 178. Here are some more types of wastes are present from different sources. Now you have to complete the chart or the list of page number 178 above with the help of different wastes from different sources. Next chart includes the waste materials of the house. Some are done for you and some you have to complete. Okay? Next topic is reusing waste products. From my lecture and your textbook, it is clear to you that there are various types of waste products surrounding us, isn't it? But some of them are reusable. That means we can use it again in any other works. Just see the example of page 178 below, that how Rofik made a pen stand with two types of waste products. One is a discarded plastic bottle and another are some empty refills. So students, you may also try to make such beautiful and reusable products at home with some waste products at this COVID situation. It's your homework, okay? I have done the third chart of page 178 for your help. I shall give you the picture of this chart. Next, page number 179. Here is also a clear description of household wastes, some of which are reusable. So complete the box of page 179 with the help of my given chart. Generally, in all the municipalities and panchayat areas, the concerned authorities give us 2 buckets for wastes. That means 2 dustbins. And you notice that very good. One is for biodegradable and another is for non-biodegradable products. So, all of us should maintain it properly to keep our environment clean and clear. Isn't it? And this topic is also present at page number 179. Now, I must say that if we can reuse a maximum amount of waste products, then we can decrease the pollution অর্থাৎ দূষণ of our environment. And for this, we can adopt the 4 R's. That is reduce, refuse, reuse and recycle. That 4 R's. Just look at page number 179 below. Here is a very clear and beautiful picture of 4 R's. These 4 R's are very fruitful for maintaining the good health of our surroundings. Next, page number 180, that is the last page of your textbook, and it contains the detailing of 4 R's. So just read it to get a clear idea. It's very easy. So students, that's all for today. All of you take care of your good health. Stay at home. Stay safe. By the way, I will give you some figures related to this chapter. Okay? Have a good day. Bye.